guys, Varix here! Oh, this? Yes, yes indeed! We are back in Sant'Agata Bolognese after the quick summer break. And as you surely already know, in the meantime Lamborghini unveiled the brand new Temerario, also known as the Huracan replacement. Then yes, that's correct! This is the only reason why I'm here today, under the 40 degrees of the Italian summer. So without any further ado, wish me luck, because I will need a lot of that. Let's see, what do we have? Okay, that's a Tecnica. Oh, I like the spec on this one. Oh, yes, that's a bold one. Unfortunately, yeah, the calipers are not matching the paint job here. But hey, either way, very nice spec for the Urus Performante. Oh my god, finally, it's been an hour since the last car. Oh no, another Urus. Oh, but that's a beautiful spec. Let's go! Finally something interesting. I love the spec on that one, and also the twin turbo V8 sound. Oh guys, check it out! I think we have the first Revuelto. Oh my god, that was a very interesting spec on the Revuelto. Love it. Oh, let me guess, another Urus? What is it? Yes, yes, of course. I mean, at least it's a Performante, but yeah, not the best spec out there. I don't know, guys, today is extremely boring. There are very few cars getting out from the factory. But you know what? Luckily, we got a lot of ducks. Yeah, they are so cute. Now let me see another Urus. Oh my god. Okay, Urus S. Okay, orange calipers and normal spec. Oh, okay, finally. Oh no. Yeah, it's a combo. Yes, combo and startup! Oh my god! Oh, DV12! Finally something pretty good after 3 hours or so. Oh, we have something coming back. Oh yeah, it's the bold Performante. Oh, did you see the not matching calipers? That's so funny. Oh no! That is so cute! Oh yeah, finally a V10! It's the dark blue Tecnica with the carbon fiber hood. Nice! Wait a moment, I think I've heard a V12 startup! Oh yes, beautiful yellow Revuelto! Another 40 minutes and we have something coming back. That's a Urus. Okay, a Performante in grey. Okay. Not the best, not the worst, but I'm, yeah, quite bored right now. Like, where is the Temerario, guys? Oh, okay, that's a nice surprise, another Urus. Lovely spec. No, it's gone. Oh no, in the meantime, one of the gatekeepers got kinda angry. Let's see what happens with the gates here. Oh no, what did I tell you? Come on. Guys, do you hear the V12? I think we have a Revuelto coming out. Wow, it's my first full Metro Revuelto. It's the Batman spec. I think we have the red Urus coming back. Yes, indeed. Oh, it's the entry-level Urus S, but with the beautiful paint job and the silver wheels. Also red steering wheel, I think. What will it be? Oh, okay, that's an interesting spec. There it goes, a very basic Urus S, but with some interesting choices. Another Urus. Oh, okay, another one. Yeah, another Urus S with the interesting paint job and the orange calipers and black wheels. Oh! Oh, that was an incredible startup! And yeah, it's not alone. We also have the red Urus coming back. Not a bad combo. Oh no, there is no way! Oh my god, now that was the most incredible combo of the day, for sure. That's an hybrid Urus, the Urus SE. Looks like we finally have something coming out. No, another Urus, come on. A full white Performante. Okay, as I was saying, full white Performante. A very quiet Performante, guys. Both the gates opening at the same time. What's going on? Oh, yeah, another Urus, of course. Way too many Uruses today. Oh, it should be the Tecnica from before, with the golden wheels and the carbon fiber hood. I mean, that's pretty cool, but that's the only V10 we've seen today. It's so boring. And also, no Temerario yet. Oh yes, glossy black finish, silver wheels and red calipers. And most importantly, what a nice sounding hybrid V12. Yo, take a listen, I think we have a Urus Performante. Oh yes, definitely. Come on, let it be a Temerario or a V10, I don't know. No, not another Urus. Dark grey Performante. And a very quiet one. Oh, come on, please, not another Urus. Oh no, wait, it's the Urus SE and we have beautiful spec. Okay, I'm fine with this one. Well, yeah, this is extremely boring, but at least we have the other ducks, yeah! Watch them go! Super cool! And then the white Urus Performante, yes. Super easy spec. Okay, sounds good. Oh god, please let it be something interesting. Oh, okay, I mean Revuelto, okay, it's fine, it's fine. What a cool shade of purple, and with the green calipers! And beautiful sound, of course! Ooh, the Tecnica is coming back once again. Yeah, I definitely love the spec on this one. Very simple, but yet effective. With the golden wheels and yellow, are they? Yeah, yellow center locks. Interesting choice. Guys, get ready! Yes, the yellow Revuelto! Extremely cool color on this one! Very well, we should have the Performante. Let's see. Yes, indeed. Again, not the best spec out there, but it definitely sounds better than the new Urus SE. The matte paint job on the Urus S. Oh, again. The startup of the twin-turbo V8, and there she goes. And with that said, guys, well, I think we are done for today. Unfortunately, we didn't get to see the Temerario, but hey, at least we tried, right? Now, guys, thanks for watching once again, and see you in a few days. Hopefully, we will see the Temerario very, very soon.